Welcome to Automan Spare Parts, your trusted global supplier of genuine auto parts. In this quick tutorial, we'll show you exactly how to buy auto parts from our website, step by step. Let's start at our homepage. Here, you'll find a clean and simple interface where you can search any part you need. You can browse parts by make, brand, or category, or simply use the search bar at the top to enter your part number or car model. This makes it easy to quickly find exactly what you're looking for, no matter the vehicle or part type. Before we proceed, let me show you some user-friendly features that Automan Spare Parts provides to make your shopping experience smoother and easier. Whether you need live chat support, change the website language, WhatsApp support, want to switch your currency, everything is right at your fingertips. These features are designed to help you shop comfortably, no matter where you are in the world. Use the language icon to switch your preferred language anytime. Click the WhatsApp icon for instant 24/7 support. Need a different currency? This icon switches it instantly. Here's a quick glimpse of which part numbers to look for when searching your part. If you don't find the part with one number, try the other one on the label or sticker. Automan lists all part numbers from the label, except the serial or barcode, to help buyers who are not sure which part number to use. As you can see, this part is available, and results appear even when each part number is searched separately. The price of the same part may vary from listing to listing, depending on its condition. The better the condition, the higher the price. Still, every part includes a 30-day warranty. Choose the part you prefer if multiple options are available. Once you're on the product page, you can view complete details, including important notes and real-time photos to check the part's condition. For your convenience, there's a quick shipping calculator where you can instantly check the total cost, including shipping to your preferred address, whether you're ordering for yourself or someone else. It automatically detects your location, but if you want to ship to a different address, you can simply click and select another option from the drop-down list. Use Buy Now, Quantity Selector, Add to Cart, Favorites, and Share button. Choose Add to Cart if you plan to buy more items. Want to bargain? Just click Make an Offer, enter your email, and you can proceed. No sign-in required. Each offer is valid for 48 hours and permits a maximum of 3 counter-offer exchanges. A valid email address is required. You can also enter any note if you want to send. If you scroll down, you'll see icons for the policies. Warranty, return and refund policy. Click on them to read the details. You'll also find detailed specifications for each part. Upon clicking the Buy Now button, you will be redirected to the checkout page to complete your purchase. You can use Express Checkout with PayPal or Google Pay, or you can fill in all the required details manually. In the contact section, please enter a valid email address. This is essential as all updates, including your tracking number, will be sent to this email. The same email will also be used to sign into your account. If you have a promotional discount code, you may apply it here. Under the delivery section, please provide your complete shipping address. Ensure all fields, including postal code, house or shop number, and street, are filled accurately to facilitate prompt and efficient delivery. Proceeding to the payment section, Automan supports all major payment gateways, including bank cards and PayPal. You may select the payment method that best suits your preference. Select the checkbox Use shipping address as billing address or enter your billing address manually if it's different from your shipping address. Thank you for watching this video. Feel free to contact us if you need any assistance. We're always happy to help.